Hi, so my name is Sydney. I have always wanted to do this, but have never had the courage to do so. However, now I'm in cosmetology school, and I actually feel like I know enough now to be able to start a YouTube channel about makeup and hair. I might actually have some DIYs on here as well. I'm pretty crafty. Give me anything on Pinterest and girl, I got you. Don't worry about it. Right now, I may not have time to do this, but I figure if I'm gonna do it, I might as well do it. So I'm gonna give it a go. I hope you'll join me on this journey that is definitely a learning experience right now. I am learning so much about this industry and about the craft of hair and makeup. I fall in love with it more and more every single day. I also have an Instagram that I've started because I'd love to eventually do wedding hair and makeup. So if you want to follow that, I will link that in the box down below. But I hope you will come say hi and give me feedback about what you want to see or why something is difficult for you, because maybe I can help, or teach me something. If you have something that can help me better my own skill, I would love to hear it. This first video is on something that is kind of sunset-like. I'm from North Carolina. It has been so freaking cold here. I used to live in Asheville for a bit, and it used to get really cold there, but it doesn't normally get that cold here recently. I mean, tonight when I came home, it was like 14 degrees, and for a girl from the South, that's cold. So cold. So I wanted to do something that was bright and made me feel like I was going to be out on the beach somewhere, and this is what I came up with. I hope you like it, and I hope you have a fabulous rest of your evening. Feel free to comment anything, say hi, things you'd like to see, questions in the comments below, and I'll see you next time.